Magic touch. Just kidding. I'm just making a video on it. This is a pretty addictive game. Wait, let's just do it like that. Wait, no. Oh shoot, I'm gonna die. This is what you have to do, like the color of, like, man, I can't explain it, but you have to do the shape of the balloons. Oh shoot, or that happens when you don't. Whoops. I don't really... The thing about this game is that there's advertisements. Like, you know what I mean. I'm trying to beat my new high score. And the way you get coins is when the robot thing, night thing. Oh shoot. Whatever. Dude,
I love you too.
Okay, bye.